Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing y'all how to put on and keep on these nail tips on our practice mannequin hand. As you can see right now, I have some old tips that are already on. I'm going to go ahead and change these tips out. This hand I did get from Amazon, so you guys can order this hand if you would like. I will leave the link down below. I am practicing right along with you guys. Prayerfully, I will be going to cosmetology school sometime within the next year. I'm just trying to finish my 4-year program and then get into all of that stuff. So here it is. I have the natural nails on. So I'm just going to clip them and file them just a little bit so we can get them nice and shaped up before we put the tips on. And I am using a straight edge nail clipper. As my cousin and I practice, we will be featuring some of our videos on this YouTube channel right here, so don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified of any new uploads. I have all the natural nails on the practice hand. Today I'm going to be using a nail file. This is a 100-180 nail filer. I usually use a sanding drill on my practice hand when doing the application of the nail tips, but however I cannot find my drill right now, so we're just gonna keep with this. We're just gonna use this nail file here. You can use the 180 side. You can use the 100 side or the 180 side, but I decided to use the 100 side just because this is a practice hand and it won't do too much. It cannot damage it. So if you want to, you can practice with the 180 side, which right here I am using the 180 side, but I'm going to switch over to the 100 side just to go ahead and get all that shine off of our nails. This is going to be key when you're applying the nail tips, because pretty much all of this shininess is what's causing the nail to not stick. So you want to just buff out this nail really good and just make sure that you have a smooth base, smooth base for when you do apply the tips. So again, here I am just shaving down this side of the nail, and I'm alternating in between the 180 and the 100 side, and I'm just doing this lightly. It may look like I'm doing it rough, but I am doing this pretty lightly. Just want to make sure you get the tips really good. Y'all, the first time that I tried to put these nail tips on, it took me seriously like 30 to 45 minutes just to put one nail on. Like, this is ridiculous. But ever since I've been using the method that I'm going to teach y'all today, I'm definitely getting it done much faster. Pretty much all nails on within one try. So the number one tip for putting our nail tips on is going to be to use a bigger size than what you already have, because for some reason they just won't stick if you use a perfect size. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a nail tip that fits just a little bit over our nail width. I'm going to bring this up a little closer just so you can see. So for this one, this nail, as you can see when I press it down a little bit, this nail is just a little bit bigger than this natural nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my natural. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my nail tip, apply a little bit of glue. Here I am using the KDS nail glue. Just going to apply that on. And what I like to do is I like to go up like this, you guys can see, and then down. Try to make sure that it's straight, because if it's not straight, you're going to have some trouble with filing, because it'll be a little bit uneven, but try to get it as straight as possible. And here you can see, usually if you see that the whole nail is flooded with glue, it usually will stay on. Hold it a few seconds and voila. So we got our first nail tip on, and we're just going to do the same thing with the other fingers. Here I am finding a nail that will fit just a little bit. Okay, so this one is a little bit smaller, but it'll do. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the last nail. Put some KDS glue on. Hold it up. Let it flood the free edge. Hold it for a few seconds. As you can see, the glue has flooded the whole entire nail. That's a good sign that we're going to get it to stick. Let it go. Boom. Both nails are on. Gonna see if I can find another nail that size, guys. If you're wondering why I can't just, which I'm pretty sure you're not wondering, but gonna do that with our next nail. Basically, you're just gonna do the same exact thing, but what once took you 30 minutes, now it takes you 2 minutes at most. Oh, this one scared me a little. Hopefully that one stays, and we're good. As you can see, this one is just slightly a bit crooked, but it's okay. We're practicing here. I'm gonna pull these up. Up and down. This one is a lot bigger, but I think it'll still do the job. If need to, you can blow on the nail. I'm not going to blow on the nail, but if you need to, you can do that. Now for this thumb. I feel like this one may stick. Let me look at it again. Let's see how that one will do. I think that may be okay, y'all. It's not enough of the world. Hopefully this one sticks. This one isn't as big as I needed it to be, but as you can see, it flooded the flooded the free edge. I'm gonna get these terms right, y'all, and it's sticking. Okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial. As you can see, I have all of my nail tips on. They're filed, they're good, they did not fall off, they're perfectly they're perfectly fine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You never know what kind of video you're going to get from me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye.